Welcome back to our series on restaurant online marketing. In our previous video, we explored the challenges and potential pitfalls in the digital landscape. Today, we're excited to guide you through the process of getting started with restaurant online marketing, offering you a step-by-step roadmap to embark on this rewarding journey. In fact, think of this as your 12-step recipe for success in the digital world of dining. Let's dive right in. Step number 1. Define your goals. Just like crafting a signature dish, every successful online marketing strategy begins with clear and measurable goals. Start by asking yourself the following questions. What do I want to achieve with my online marketing efforts? Am I aiming to increase reservations, boost online orders, or improve brand awareness? How will I measure success? Establishing your goals will provide clear direction and help you evaluate the effectiveness of your strategies. Step number 2. Know your audience. Just as you understand the flavors your diners crave, understanding your target audience is essential to your marketing efforts. Consider the following questions. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics? What are their preferences and dining habits? How do they use the internet and social media? Take the time to think carefully about the answers to these questions and then document them. This insight will guide your content and engagement strategies, ensuring you reach the right people at the right time with the right message. Step number 3. Create or optimize your website. Your restaurant's website is the digital hub of your online marketing efforts. Ensure that your website is visually appealing, reflecting your brand's identity. User-friendly and optimized for mobile devices. SEO-friendly to improve its visibility in search engine results. As we mentioned in the last video, the best advice here is to have someone else do it. It doesn't make sense to spend your time building or maintaining your website when your time could be spent making your restaurant more profitable. Remember, you can always make more money, but you can't get more time. Our team here at Restaurant Marketing Solutions specializes in planning, building, and maintaining restaurant websites. We work with each of our clients personally on a long-term basis, so as your restaurant scales and grows, we'll be here each step of the way. Feel free to reach out to us at restaurantcashflow.com. Step number 4. Develop a content strategy. Content is the cornerstone of your online marketing strategy. Create a content calendar that outlines the following. What type of content you will produce. For example, blog posts, videos, or social media posts. When and how often you will publish. Topics and themes aligned with your restaurant's brand and audience. Having consistent and valuable content will engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. Step number 5. Implement social media marketing. Select social media platforms that align with your audience and objectives. Here's what you should focus on. Regular posting of engaging content. Interaction with your audience through comments, messages, and shares. Use of relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Social media allows you to build a community around your restaurant. Step number 6. Claim and optimize online listings. Claim your restaurant's profiles on review sites and platforms such as Google My Business, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and others. Then, make sure you optimize these listings with the following. Accurate and up-to-date information about your business. High-quality images of your dishes and restaurant. Responses to customer reviews, and any questions or inquiries made by potential diners. By doing this, you'll ensure that your online presence shines. Step number 7. Get our customer reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Yelp, Google, and TripAdvisor. As we stated in the last video, the best advice here is to respond promptly and professionally to reviews, both positive and negative, demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction. Remember, the more your happy customers spread the word, the less you have to do it for them. Step number 8. Invest in email marketing. Start building an email list of customers and interested website visitors. Leverage the power of email marketing to share promotions, special events, and menu updates. Build customer loyalty through exclusive offers and personalized content. Keep your diners engaged. Step number 9. Explore paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. Using these platforms, you can accurately target your ads based on demographics, interests, and location. By leveraging the power of paid advertising, you can make your presence known and widen your brand reach, even outside of your active social media followers. In fact, most small restaurant owners don't realize that the unpaid social media algorithm determines how many viewers will see your post, limited to a fraction of your actual followers. Paid advertising reaches a much larger audience. Step number 10. Measurement and analysis. Implement analytics tools to monitor the performance of your online marketing efforts. Regularly review data such as website traffic and conversion rates, social media engagement metrics, email open and click-through rates. These benchmarks will help you determine the effectiveness of paid advertising campaigns. Step number 11. Adapt and optimize. As we mentioned previously, the digital landscape is both crowded and dynamic. Therefore, you need to be flexible in your approach. Here's what will help. Continuously review your data, assess your performance, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Stay informed about industry trends and emerging technologies to remain competitive. All right, let's move on to our final step. Step number 12. Seek professional assistance. If you find online marketing overwhelming or lack the expertise, consider hiring a digital marketing agency or consultant with experience in the restaurant industry. Of course, our team here at Restaurant Marketing Solutions is always here to help. Head over to our website at restaurantcashflow.com where you can start a live chat or sign up for a no-obligation free strategy session. We're proud to serve small local independent restaurant owners, and we'd be happy to discuss your goals. Okay, we covered a lot of information in this video, so here's a quick recap of the 12 steps in case you missed anything. Step number 1. Define your goals. Step number 2. Know your audience. Step number 3. Create or optimize your website. Step number 4. Develop a content strategy. Step number 5. Implement social media marketing. Step number 6. Claim and optimize online listings. Step number 7. Gather customer reviews. Step number 8. Invest in email marketing. Step number 9. Explore paid advertising. Step number 10. Measure and analyze. Step number 11. Adapt and optimize. Step number 12. Seek professional assistance. With these steps as your guide, you're well on your way to building a strong digital presence for your restaurant. Thank you for joining us on this journey. In our next video, we'll explore how to measure the success of your online marketing efforts effectively. Stay tuned as we continue to equip you with the knowledge and insights you need to thrive in the digital age of dining. Remember to like this video and please consider subscribing for more valuable insights and strategies to help your restaurant thrive. We'll see you in the next video.